Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Apple AirPods Max to an Android phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but the same will apply for other phones. Now you're not going to have the full functionality like you do when you connect it to an Apple device, but you can still do quite a lot on them. So now some features will only work when you're wearing them. So I'm going to mimic wearing them by just putting them on the box here, because we have a little sensor just here and also just here as well, so they know when you're wearing them. The first thing we have to do is we have to put these into pairing mode. So we've got a little noise cancelling button up here. We have to press this one down for around 5 seconds until the light starts flashing, a white light starts flashing down here. So I'm pressing it down now, I'm holding it down, and right now we've got a white light and already now it's flashing. That is now in pairing mode. So we're going to go over to our phone and we're going to go to Bluetooth. So I'm scrolling down from the top, I'm going into the Bluetooth menu and I'm going to go down and I'm going to wait until it comes up under available devices. Obviously make sure Bluetooth is on. It can take about 30 seconds or so to be discovered. There we go, so it's come up here, AirPods Max Find My. So I'm going to tap on that and it's asking, do I wish to pair? So I'm going to go to pair. And that's it, we are now connected. So I'm going to put them onto the box here and I'm going to show you a few things, because interestingly, this is your digital crown here. This is how you adjust the volume. But look, nothing's happening when you're not wearing them. You can see it's not adjusting. But now when I put them on the box here and do the same thing, so there, can you see now that when I go up and down here, it's moving here as well. So certain things will only work when you're wearing them. Now sticking with the digital crown, if for example we go to Spotify, and if I just go to play, with this here now, if I tap it once, you will see it will pause the song. So it's paused it now. If I tap the digital crown again, it will play the song. If I tap it twice, it will go to the next track. So once, twice. And you can see now it's gone to the next song. And if you hit it 3 times, it will go to the beginning of the current song. So this is now a few seconds in. If I go 1, 2, 3, it goes back to the beginning of that song. Also, we have noise cancelling button here. That also works. So when you press it once, you'll have noise cancellation, so you can't hear much of the sounds coming in from outside. If you press it again, you have enhanced outside sounds, so you'll be able to hear more of things in the background, so that's quite useful. Also, you can answer a phone call as well, which I'll show you now. You press this to answer the phone call, and then to hang up the phone call, you press the digital crown twice. So let's do that just now. Also, when the phone rings, it tells you who's ringing in here. Whatever you've got it saved on here, it comes in. So it's coming through right now, so I'm going to answer it. I've got it blurred out for privacy reasons, but if I press that there, it is now answered. And you can use the microphones here. It works perfectly as a phone to hear, and also microphones. And then to hang up, if we press it twice, then you will see now it's hung up. So although you haven't got the full functionality, you still do have a lot of functionality when you use your Apple AirPods Max with your Android phone. And then when you're finished with them, it's nice because when you put back in the case, watch here, the Bluetooth will turn off from here. And when you take them out again, it will liven up, and it's all pretty quick. So right now you can still see it's connected. It says AirPods Max. I'm going to put them into the case here. This has got a magnetic thing, and watch this, after a few seconds, this will disconnect. There you go, it's gone to Bluetooth. Can you see now it's no longer AirPods Max? And now when we take them out, it will automatically connect up again. So taking them out now, and then give it a few seconds, and you can see already there it says AirPods Max, and they're working again through here. So if I was to go here, Spotify, play, the sound's coming through here again. So there we go, nice and straightforward. They do actually work quite well on Android. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.